Welcome to Old School Future. Here is my project I'm going to be working on this channel. This is a 1989 4Runner with a removable top. I believe it's the last year to have the removable top before they went to the solid metal one piece. And what I'm wanting to do with this, it's got the 3-liter V6 in it, and it's kind of on its last leg. It's got about 260,000 miles on it. And what I'm wanting to do with this is to do a swap on it and put the 1.9 liter VW diesel in it for a better gas mileage. Believe it or not, I'm shooting for gas mileage. I'd like to make this my daily driver. There's my cat in there. It's got 260,000 miles. Interior is okay. It was used like on a farm for a while. So it's seen better days. If it's not horrible, I'll probably be able to shampoo it. Back there, I was going to have a tutorial on how to reinstall a window and reinforce the window rails for the back window. It's a roll-up window. Unfortunately, when I went to, sorry, it's in the garage, it's hard to see, but unfortunately when I went to weld it, I welded it in place on the window, which is a big mistake. Because when it cooled, it I guess cooled very quickly, and it caused the safety glass to just explode basically. So that was my fault. It's a dumb mistake. So what I did instead is I got a sheet of Lexan, which was almost the right size, and I cut out. I had to do an outline from scratch because my original window had exploded. So I took measurements of the outline and then cut it out, and it fits almost perfectly. My sheet was a little bit too narrow for the opening. I kind of misjudged, and I didn't want to buy twice as much big a sheet. And if I want to do it again, I could do it with a thicker sheet and a wider sheet, and I could do it again pretty easily. But I'll probably just end up finding another original window. So this is the intro for this. I'm going to probably start taking engine out, stuff like that. Start cleaning up, look for spare parts like mirror stuff. Here's the engine. It seems like it's missing on one of the cylinders. I have not figured out why. I hooked a compression tester up to it and could only get compression on one of the cylinders. I don't know if this is the way I was hooking it up or what. I did it on a RAV4 and I could get compression on all cylinders, so I'm pretty sure it's not the gauge. I think it's just the way I'm hooking it up. But I know for a fact it can't run with no compression on all but one cylinder. So I think I have like either injector problem or something on one of the cylinders. I did wires, rotor, let's see what else I did, ECV valve or PCV valve. I got rid of, I can't remember if it's the pair or the EGR valve, but that's the block off plate right there for that, just to try to eliminate any possibility of what could be making it misrun. When I was doing the timing, I noticed whatever the problem is, the timing's way down there somewhere. Where's it at? There's a crank down there. When I was doing the timing, I noticed that it was almost, I don't know, off the charts positive timing. So something was causing the computer to forward the timing a lot too. So, but like I said, I want to swap this for a 1.9 diesel anyway, so I'm probably not going to worry about too much more about the engine. I'll keep whatever accessories I need to keep for the swap and sell everything else as parts, either the whole engine or break it down, whatever I need to do. I don't think I mentioned this. It is the independent front suspension. Of course, it hadn't been swapped or anything, so it's basically, 100% stock. It does have some rust. Not on this wheel well, but on all the back wheel wells, like here, where the mud gets caught right in there, and then rusts it out after a while. It needs a little work. Some stuff missing here and there. Original rims, auto locking hubs up at the front. So anything I do, I'll probably do a video of it, just have like a quick how-to. It's not going to be too fast, but you can always slow it down to see the steps slower. But I'm learning as I go, so you can learn with me as well.